Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vibration on your iPhone. So let's get started. Now this is on the latest version that we're doing on iOS 18. So in order to turn it on, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone and then scroll down to Sounds and Haptics right here. Tap on Sounds and Haptics, and now once you turn on Sounds and Haptics, you're going to see the option that says Haptics right here. So you're going to select on Haptics. Now you're going to make sure that you select to play haptics as always play or play in silent mode. These two options will allow that the phone gets the vibration setting. If you have never play, it will not do that when you get a ring or alert. So make sure it's always selected or play in silent mode, either of the first two options. Now after you have checked that, the next thing to go ahead and check out is going to be your option to play system haptics right here. So you're going to make sure that is selected here, and then along with that you also want to see where you have for each of these alerts or type of, for example, like ringtone, right? You want to select that and ensure that haptics you have a selected option. You do not want to select none. So if you have none, it will not, for example, vibrate when you have a ring coming through. So you want to keep either a default or select one of these custom vibration for it. So you're going to make sure it's selected for example, ringtone. If you want it to vibrate on text tone, same thing, you can select it here. And each of these else will go through them, whatever you want. Things like classic or default ones, you want to make sure they have one selected and it's not selected to none. So that's going to be the first thing you want to go ahead and check out. Now the next place you want to check out in your settings here is go back to the settings. Under accessibility, you want to go to touch, and then there's a setting called vibration right here. You want to make sure this setting is turned on. This should be turned on by default, but if for some reason it is turned off, you're not going to get any vibration on your iPhone. So make sure this is turned on. And that's all you need to do in order to turn on vibration on your iPhone. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.